AI isn't replacing good marketing, but it is exposing bad marketing faster than ever. And most people are using it in completely the wrong way. There's a lot of noise around AI and marketing right now. Some people think it's the answer to everything, and others think it's destroying creativity. But the reality sits somewhere in the middle. The future of marketing isn't AI or human, it's a hybrid of the two. And once you understand what each side is actually responsible for, AI stops feeling overwhelming and starts feeling genuinely useful. Hey, I'm Stephen, and I help simplify marketing so that you can grow without overcomplicating things. Most conversations about AI in marketing start in completely the wrong place. They usually jump straight to the tools, features, or automation. What AI can write, how fast it can work, and how much time it can save. But those questions miss the real issue. The better question is this: which parts of marketing actually benefit from speed and which parts don't? Because not everything in marketing should be done faster. Some things need judgment, some need context, and some need restraint. And when you don't separate those properly, AI ends up being asked to do jobs it was never designed for. And that's where the problems start. There are parts of marketing where speed isn't the advantage, clarity is. And that's where humans still matter most. And in my experience, the real value in marketing has never been about producing more output. It's been about deciding what actually matters, who you're really targeting, what problems you're solving, what message you don't lead with, even if it's tempting. That kind of decision making comes from context, from understanding pressure inside a business, from knowing commercial reality, from recognizing nuance. AI doesn't have that context. It can sound confident, it can sound polished, but it doesn't know what matters. And that's why strategy and direction are still human responsibilities. Now, where AI really shines is once the thinking is already done, I use AI constantly, but not to decide strategy for me. I use it to remove friction. For example, once I know what I want to say, AI helps me explore different angles quickly. It helps me get past the blank page, helps me repurpose ideas without starting from scratch every time. In other words, AI doesn't replace the thinking, it accelerates execution after the thinking has happened. And that distinction is everything. AI is brilliant at execution, humans are responsible for direction. Flip those roles, your marketing gets worse, not better. This is where the hybrid model comes in. Humans set the direction, AI supports the delivery, humans make the final call. It's not complicated, but it is deliberate. When that loop is clear, AI becomes a multiplier, and when it isn't, AI becomes noise. The biggest mistake I see isn't people using AI too much, it's people using it too early. They hand AI responsibility before they've done the strategic work themselves. That's not leverage, that's abdication. Where are you currently using AI? Planning, writing, editing, or not at all? Drop it in the comments, because I'm genuinely curious to see how you're using it. Most people struggle with AI in marketing for a very simple reason. They don't yet have clarity, they don't have a clearly defined audience, they don't have a consistent message, they don't know what success actually looks like. So AI ends up filling that gap. And when that happens, the output might look impressive, but it rarely works in the real world. Because AI can't fix a lack of strategy. It can only scale what's already there, good or bad. So here's the practical takeaway. If you want AI to genuinely improve your marketing, start by getting clear yourself. Decide who you're for, decide what problem you're solving, decide what success looks like. Then use AI to move faster, not to think for you. That right there is the hybrid model. And that's how AI really fits into modern marketing. Now, I've got more videos breaking this down properly, from strategy to systems. So make sure you're subscribed for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And I'll see you very soon.